Baby one, baby one, baby one. All right, IzyBeat, you remember this thing that year?
Tell you, man. They jump at that.
But we make money from this in that time.
As in, if you see them as a den, it be like saying a magic.
Now that time, that time we like to watch
ball.
But this thing just carried me go back that year. You know, when we were young, you know, and everything.
But these days now, old.
Then they so old days don't come now. People don't appreciate them too much like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see get both our CEOs inside the building, all right? And quickly, just before we come out inside the whole show for today, like we talked earlier, today will be that show where we will make too much laughter and too much, you know, just want to make brain on the Monday P. All right, but still on the matter, just want to play one small game with them before they come out. We'll just see their playful side. We'll see which of them two over chap they worry, because two of them, they get mad die. They get mad die. So also, all right, so you said they don't sit down, I can't be like, say, they won't do about things. but under the matter.
I
now,
ask her for makeup.
Wait,
You want to
makeup.
ask her makeup stuff.
You want to ask her mask with something. Hey, what do you want to ask her?
Don't worry, I'll go ask her.
All right, so now we go start the game. And quickly, we'll get the person where go fit be the first to lose for the whole thing. Now the loser will define for this particular one. Me and Pepe Nazi played this one last week. I high for the show. I high, but now alcohol things we take do everything. But now I don't give an alcohol
So
because now you need to go do some other things this night. You understand me now? Now see gets
Easy,
all right.
easy.
Easy beast.
Easy, don't worry, you can approach me.
IzyBeat. The way to hellfire is very, very broad.
Very broad.
All right, so quickly. All right, so IzyBeat, more or less that our tune on the background. Our tune on the background. All right. So now, names of anything. First to lose, pow, you are out.
Names of anything.
Names of what?
No, we're gonna drop on one.
Ogbolor.
You understand? We're gonna drop on one. All right. So when ready like this, look at yourself eyeball to eyeball. No wink for yourself.
Names of anything.
Wait, first I will call them. I will call the things. So breathe in.
Okay.
Breathe in. Both of you breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. All right. The first one. Names of states inside Nigeria.
Abia.
Wait, if I say. Wait, they worry you. Names of states inside Nigeria. 1, 2, go.
Abia.
Edo State,
Kano State.
Anambra State,
Kaduna State.
Imo State,
Lagos State.
Kebbi State,
Abuja.
Port Harcourt,
Adamawa.
Abuja no be state. Wrong.
Federal Capital.
Federal
It's
Capital.
not a state. It's not a state. What's wrong with you?
What Abuja, the capital of state and capital. Abuja.
Abuja, then they call
It's
it
just
Abuja.
beside.
It's not a
It's
state.
by the
not a
side.
state. So now warm up with that one now. So
Yeah,
Mayowa,
yeah,
not
yeah.
fall hand. Mayor looks, you cannot fall hand. So this one, Mayor looks battling against Cheche Smith Nation. So
I'm a look, she's a nation.
My
How
next
am I
one.
supposed to be this?
All right, so you done ready?
Yes.
Okay.
The next one now. Names of.
Sorry, who they pick on first now? She now or she? Who they start first?
And now Cheche go start now.
Okay.
Since now she first win the first round. All right, you ready? Hausa names where una sabi. Hausa names where una sabi. 1, 2, go.
Hafsat,
Aisha.
Kabiru,
Mohammed.
Adamu.
Ilya.
Ah, shit.
Pass. All right, so you don't balance now. So now
you do
one.
them intentionally.
Now one.
Oh, you're a bad
How?
person.
No, now you're
But
back again
know
now.
that. Mayowa
Not true. You have get a Hausa
oh,
history.
oh,
Okay, wait. Now,
Okay.
two more.
Okay.
Two more. Names of TV personalities.
Oh.
Not ready? 1, 2, go.
IK Big Brother.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, a person. All right. Oh, blaga.
Why did you wait?
Ogbolor.
Ogbolor, relax.
Wait, Cheche.
You never finish your question now.
Which one pass that one? Say you want to.
Okay, go on.
All right, so one more now. Make we see. If there's a tie here, we'll do one more before the whole thing finish. Are you ready? All right. So now we'll do names of Nigerian food. Go.
Okra soup,
Amala.
Ogbolor soup,
Eba.
plantain,
Pounded yam.
dodo,
Rice.
amala,
Edikaikon. After Kamala.
Okay, talk
This is the first thing that I thought.
No, this
So,
is half.
But even at the same time, this one nobody win because one person don't talk plantain, one talk dodo. I tell you that I all lock up.
my God.
So we will do one final one. Okay. One final one before wrap up every.
Okay.
All right.
I love this game.
Okay, so one more now. One more. Names of Nigerian dances. Nigerian dances. Nigerian dances. We're not ready. Mayowa, go start now. Names of Nigerian dances. Go.
Sekem.
Etigi.
Shoki.
Azonto.
Yauze. Alanta.
Sorry for you. I know you are paying in your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, for this particular round, now Mayowa now win every for this particular round. Yeah, take it about. I'm gonna stand up. Thank you very much. These two wonderful ladies. Now, before we come out for the whole show today, make an announcement now the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of today now, the Pami the Shark.
Wow.
The Pami the Shark. So when I just go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show, when I reach there, we can go translate them into English. The Pami the Shark. All right, so we will know person where you go fit do every on top that level.
Have you tried?
The Pami the Shark.
Try, Mayowa, try. The Pami the Shark.
You guzzle, you drop.
The guzzle they drop.
You guzzle.
The guzzle.
You drop.
You drop.
Yeah, the
Now,
Pami the
over
shark.
English.
Because the Pami, you have to guzzle it.
Translating.
You understand?
Right,
You have
how
to
they
guzzle it.
guzzle the shark.
Guzzle the shark.
No, you guzzle till you drop. The Pami the shark.
Pami, you
The
don't
Pami, you have to...
Cheche, if you try. Okay, no even bother. But finally, before we come up from inside the studio today, any word for all the women for outside there, Cheche?
Why not? You need to discover yourself and begin to do that thing where you get passion for. And also, you need to dress well because when people see you, they go just look you. Now, the first thing where they go see before they know, say, you even get brain and other things. So you need to hook up to that. And also make sure, say, they check out that place where we say, go give you the information you need concerning fashion. www.chechesmithnation.com.
All right, Mayowa, any final word for me for all the women that were outside there and the young people them?
Well, women with their outside, better old or young, not be just you. You get family, you go born picking. You need to give your children something. So if you don't do anything by yourself, you know if you give your children anything. And on Instagram, Twitter, at Mayowa Lambe, I'ma hook you up on your face level.
All right, Shima, hook you up on your face level. All right, so IzyBeat, thank you very much. Say you hold the wheels of steel down. And from us for here, please make sure say you can go W Late Night Show on top Twitter. Go for us comment about every. All right, so still on top the whole matter. We'll say good night from us for here. Thank you very much to our two young CEOs who joined us for the show today. God bless you. Say join us for here. Thank you very, very much. And you say they love you continuously.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, from here for us for here now, good night for here. All right, so at Funny Ogbolor, jam your top Twitter. All right, so IzyBeat, lace us out. Even as we go to do every.
Mayowa.
Mommy and daddy, I see the music, you're the dancer. I see the music, you're the dancer. I want to in London, you Joe shocking one Joe. I want to in America, you Joe shocking one Joe. I want to Agege, you Joe shocking one Joe. I know say you like to dance, I know say you like to shake it, I know say you like to move, and I know say you like to work it. Oh yeah, shake. We are the Joe Shopping.